Warning, there is a good chance Bitcoin Mike has no idea what he's talking about. Do your own research. Enjoy the show. Thank you. All right, folks, let's take a look at the markets. Bitcoin on a little bit of a pullback right now, as well as some of the altcoins, but we were pretty much just at 20,700 like 10 minutes ago. Now we're back down to 20,300, pretty much in that same range. I'd like to see Bitcoin hold above 20,000. I don't think it will, of course. I think we do have some more bearishness to go before we go bullish. Cardano's still hanging out that 40-cent mark. Not too shabby for Cardano. Matic still killing it. Litecoin still at 54. I think Theta still at about 116. We're at 118 last night. So everything's pretty much holding on. We got Dogecoin, which is still pretty much on a crazy pump. I'm going to talk a little bit about that shortly. Let you guys know if I think that's a buy or not. I'm going to tell you it's not a buy at this price, but I would say if Dogecoin does drop under 9-10 cents, now that Elon Musk does own Twitter, Dogecoin could absolutely 30-40x going into 2024 for the next bull market. I think a lot of people will be coming into the market, and Dogecoin will be the meme coin. It won't be Shiba Inu, unfortunately, like a lot of people, some of my friends think. Anyway, let's see what else is going on. Let's take a quick look at the crypto banter Bybit trading competition. Of course, they've been trying to get you guys to do Bybit and BitGet for the last 6 months for the trading competition so they can get the referral links. And this guy right here, I think Miles is his name, I don't remember. He's their main guy in the morning who basically does trading and tells people how to trade and what they should do with their money. And then, of course, you have Rand and you have the Crypto Sniper. Let's see how this guy's Bybit trading account is doing, since he should be doing the best, right? He's the trading guy on Crypto Banter's channel, so I'm sure he's killing it. Let's see.
I'm very honest. Like, I'm willing to share the true journey of a trader, and yeah, I got liquidated. So
well, so there's your main guy on Bybit or Crypto Banter. He's the guy telling everybody what should be buying. Get those Bybit links. Here's what coin's gonna pump. Here's what coin is not gonna pump. He got liquidated. So everything I've been saying, folks, these guys are complete tools, and trading is a loser's game. But let's see how the Sniper's doing. The Crypto Sniper. We all love that Crypto Sniper. He's got to be killing it, right? He's the sniper.
Somewhere in the top. Let's see where Shaldino is. He's still here. Shaldino is 4th on BitGet. But I think also rekt on Bybit.
So he's also rekt on Bybit. So basically, your two main trading guys on the Crypto Banter channel are wrecked in the trading competition. That's what happens when you lose leverage, folks. So I've been trying to warn you guys for a long time. All right, let's talk a little bit about Dogecoin. A lot of people have been talking about Dogecoin. I do not hold any Dogecoin. I did hold Dogecoin last year. I sold it. Didn't really make any money on it. I missed the pump. I'm seriously considering, since Elon Musk does have Twitter and he may possibly make Dogecoin a payment option, or if not, he may just tweet about Dogecoin or do something with Dogecoin. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious Elon Musk is going to do something with Dogecoin. I think you could probably see a 20-30x for Dogecoin, maybe more going into 2024. Dogecoin has basically doubled. So this time last week it was $6 or $7. Now it's $12 or $13. So it's doubled. It's very difficult for me to recommend buying this after a doubling, but it looks like the market is pulling back a little bit. If we can get, if Dogecoin can basically, go below 9 cents or something like that, I would say it's a buy. Maybe put like $500 or $1,000 into it and just hold it for a couple years. Don't even mess with it. And I think you're gonna be higher in a couple years, especially when all the retail money comes back into the market. But clearly, Dogecoin is going to be the meme coin to have. I don't know. A buddy of mine has a lot of Shiba Inu, and that'll probably pump in the bull market. But Dogecoin is going to be the coin. If you like meme coins, you like risky coins, I would definitely buy Dogecoin over XRP because I trust Elon Musk far more than the SEC and the people running XRP. So for me, yeah, we got a major capitulation in Bitcoin, and Dogecoin, I mean, goes back down to 8 cents or 9 cents or even lower. I'm going to pick a little bit up because it's just, you're basically putting your money behind Elon Musk, and he's the smartest and the richest guy in the world. And he bought Twitter. He's reinstated all the people like Donald Trump and everything. He's a great guy for free speech. He's going to take Twitter and make Twitter profitable again. And it's going to show those losers who are running Twitter, all those tech losers who didn't get laid till they were 30, And, you know, if it wasn't for working in tech, they'd be living in their mom's basement. And all they care about is wokeness and culture wars and identity politics and basically banning people who don't agree with them. He's going to show those idiots how to actually run a company. And if he's tweeting about Dogecoin or integrates Dogecoin, Dogecoin's going to kill it. So, yeah, I would be picking up some Dogecoin under 9 or 10 cents. Just my personal opinion. I mean, I could be completely wrong. Cardano. Price prediction, signs of a market bottom. I think it's possible. You know, Cardano recently had a dump down to about 33 cents. What was it, last week? And I did buy a little bit, and I was basically encouraging people to buy. At that point, I was like, maybe we're going to go down to that 29, 25 cent. I've been calling for a 25 cent Cardano. But is it possible that 36 cents was the bottom for Cardano? Yes, it's very possible. I'd say it's a 60% shot. I say we have a 40% shot. We're going to go to 25 to 20 cents or lower. But this is why I say you have to have skin in the game. We're so close, folks, to the bottom. We're so close. And like I said, I do think we're gonna go lower. I think Bitcoin is going to go back down to $18,000, $17,000 and retest those lows, at least at some point over the next 6 months. But there's no guarantee that's going to happen, and it could happen in a flash crash, meaning you go out and get a cup of coffee, you flash crash, and then you're right back up by the time you get back with your cup of coffee, and the whole thing's basically over with, and you missed it. So, gotta have skin in the game, folks. We're so close to the bottom on a lot of these coins. All right, let's see what else is going on here, folks. Of course, we have the FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. He is in favor of really thorough stablecoin regulation. A lot of the old timers in crypto, like Jason Voorhees and a lot of these old timers, don't want any regulation in crypto, and that's fine. I understand that argument about not wanting regulation in crypto. They want it to be the wild, wild west. The problem is, if it's a wild, wild west, you're not going to have the big money coming in. You're only going to have speculators, and a lot of people are going to get wrecked. A lot of people are going to lose all their money. So that's why you see a lot of. I understand why a guy like Jason Voorhees, he understands it. Wild, wild west, whatever, it's cutthroat. That's fine. You want to take that position. But a lot of the crypto scammers, the crypto scumbags also don't want it to be regulated because over the last year, they got screwed so bad, especially the US-based crypto influencers. They can't promote the Bybit anymore, like I've been saying. They can't do the scam tokens because the SEC has been on top of them. And that, of course, is why you see, of course, I'm going to talk about Bitboy because I can't help myself. Bitboy is now on a mission against Sam Bankman-Fried. He wants Sam Bankman-Fried to basically, he wants all his followers to close their FTX account. Can you imagine this, folks? FTX exchange is one of the most reliable exchanges in the United States. It's regulated. You put your money on FTX over the last 3 or 4 years, you're doing great. No hacks, no nothing. Great. Their fees are low. This piece of fucking fat slobbery over here was recommending you buy Celsius, BlockFi, all the scams he promoted to you over the years where he made millions of dollars and you got wrecked, right? And now he's like, I don't like Sam Bankman-Fried. So he's basically saying, take your money off of FTX. I'm telling you, folks, you got to figure out, who do you listen to? The crackhead who made a few $1 million off scamming people, or a guy who's a multi-billionaire like Sam Bankman-Fried? Who do you trust more? Who would you rather give your money to? FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, regulated exchange, fatty boy over here. Who would you trust your money with more? I'm not going to like harp on Bitboy this whole freaking stream here, this whole video, but people got to use some common sense. This guy is bad for crypto. He already wrecked everybody over the last couple years. All right, don't let him do any more damage. All right, that's my Bitboy news for the day. And of course, we have stock markets are kind of lower today. Of course, over the last week, we had a major rally in the stock markets, and now we're a little bit lower. Today is Halloween. We'll see what happens going into November. Tomorrow is the start of November. I personally, I'm a big follower of Gareth Soloway. He thinks we might see a $23,000 to $25,000 Bitcoin before we actually dump into the abyss and go back down to 17, maybe even down to 15, maybe even down to 12. I would have to agree that's a possibility. I'm not going to pretend I know. It's a flip of a coin at this point. All I know right now is buying low right now is going to make you a lot of money in 2024, and I can't wait for it. And now's the time to buy. So we'll see what happens, folks, going into November. I really hope we do get that Gareth Soloway pump because then we're going to see a lot of this stuff basically double. It'd be a good time to take some profits if you haven't already before we dump further. But the point is, nobody knows what's going to happen. Bitboy doesn't know. I don't know. Crypto Banter doesn't know. As you can see, they all got fucking wrecked. This is, like I said, I'm going to say this one more time. This is their main trading guy right here. This is him. Wrecked. Wrecked. And the crypto sniper, wrecked. Wrecked by trading in this trading competition. And of course, the trading competition is just to get you to join Bybit so they make all the money. That's it. It's what it's all about. And they all got wrecked. All right, folks, like and subscribe. Have a good day.